Do you ever wonder why you need to change your oil and keep it maintained? Hi, my name is Peyton Craig, and having worked on engines my entire life and growing up watching my dad in the shop, I have decided to do a little bit of research on the necessity of changing your oil. Today, I would like to talk to you about the importance of maintaining and changing your oil in your vehicle. Mainly, I would like to talk to you about how keeping your oil changed removes engine gunk, restores engine power, and ensures proper lubrication and maintains in vehicle life. First, I would like to talk to you about how changing your oil removes engine gunk. www.bellperformance.com states that if you do not change your oil for a very long time, you could develop engine sludge. Engine sludge comes from the dirt and the grime in your oil that it removes from your engine as it flows through. Engine sludge is a big red flag for your vehicle. To remove any engine sludge, you can use a chemical remover that you add to your old oil. When the sludge is mostly gone, you can drain your oil and put in fresh oil and new oil filter. Once you have changed your oil, you can look at the new oil and compare it to the old oil and see the dirt and the grime in the oil. Next, I would like to talk to you about how changing your oil restores the power of your engine. www.leacars.com tells us that due to the exposure to heat, oil breaks down over time. Oil is used to lubricate the walls and the parts of the engine. When the oil begins to break down over time, it turns into more of a watery lubrication, and it loses the ability for lubricating. Over time, oil will pick up more dirt and make sludge build up, and it blocks the ports for the oil to flow through the motor properly. Last, I would like to talk to you about how changing your oil in your vehicle ensures proper lubrication and maintains vehicle life. ResourceCenter.com, www.resource.com tells us that there's a lot of moving parts inside the motor, such as cam, pistons, bearings. The engine is made up of a lot of different parts that are made up of metal that needs to be lubricated properly. The oil is the lubricant part for the parts of the engine. If the parts are not properly lubricated, the metal can hit each other, creating friction. Metal to metal contact creates a lot of heat that will take a big toll on your motor and cause a lot of damage and less life that you will get out of your motor. You can blow your motor if you do not change and maintain your oil. If you do not maintain your oil, it can decrease the life of your motor. Today's technology, we thankfully have something built in our dash to let us know when we need to change our oil to help us maintain the oil and the engine's life. Today, I have to talk to you about how changing your oil removes engine gunk, restores engine power, and ensures proper lubrication and maintains the vehicle life. Now you know why it's so important for you to maintain your oil and keep up with your oil change, and that's so now you can do so. So you can maintain your oil and have your car for a longer time. Maintaining your oil is the key in the life of an engine and getting the most miles out of your vehicle.